Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at how we can use the SUMIF and SUMIFS function, which works in both Excel and Google Sheets. So this is a really powerful function that you can use for quickly calculating totals based on certain conditions, which might be useful for business, finance, inventory management, and personal budgeting. In the description is a download link to the sample data so you can follow along. In this first example, let's add the total for sales that were greater than $6,000. So in an empty cell, we're going to start by typing equals SUMIF, open parentheses, and now we need to select the range for the data, comma, open double quote, and let's look for sales that are greater than or equal to $6,000. Close double quote and close parentheses. And you can format that cell if you would like. And you'll see if we change that criteria that the sum changes with it. For this next example, let's look at the sum of the sales by a category. So for instance, let's find sales for mountain bikes. Again, we're going to start with equals SUMIF, open parentheses, select the range of the categories, comma, space, and open double quote. I'm going to type in mountain bikes, close the double quote, comma, and now we need the range for the sales. And close parentheses, enter. And now you can see that any of the sales from mountain bikes have been added together. And we can easily copy or edit that formula to see another category. In this next example, let's see how to find the sum of all sales for a specific year. So equals SUMIF, select the range of the year first, comma, and let's search for sales in 2016, wrapped in double quotes, comma, space. Now we want the range of the sales amounts. Close parentheses, enter. And again, you can easily modify that formula for a different year. In this last example, let's look at how to sum values with multiple conditions using SUMIFS instead of SUMIF. And let's get the sum of sales for clothing that are greater than $5,000. We need to get the sales column range, comma, space, the category range, comma, space, and in quotes, we're going to type in clothing, end quote, comma. And now looking at sales, comma, space, we want greater than 5,000, end quote, end parentheses, and enter. You can see that I'm working with a table, but yours might be, for instance, B2 colon B26 instead of these table values. And now you can see these are the sales in the clothing category for sales that were greater than 5,000. And we can edit this as needed. I hope this video helps with your workflow. If it did, please like the video so others can find it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.